Hello guys, welcome to Raza Learning Hub. In this video we can find the value of this expression, which is 10 minus 10 divided by 2. So how can we find the value of this expression? If you are new in my channel, then kindly subscribe to the channel for more videos. So mostly people can solve this expression wrong. He can solve it that method, that 10 minus 10 which is equal to 0 divided by 2. 0 divided by 2 which is equal to 0. But guys, this answer is wrong, because the order of operation, which is PEMDAS, in PEMDAS we can say that division have higher priority than other operation. So firstly we can solve division. 10 minus 10 divided by 2 which is equal to 5. Now here 10 minus 5 which is equal to 5. Guys, this is the final answer of this expression. If anywhere you can face an issue, then comment. I will reply your question, and kindly subscribe to the channel. Thanks a lot.